Okay, this is for ALS, the Ice Bucket Challenge. Ida's going to dump ice water on my head. We challenge Bill Acacian, Renee Bazaire, and Stephanie Todd. Alright. Thank you, Andy Acacian, for nominating me. Okay, take this, Mom. Wait a second, let me sit down. Or let me get down where you can dump it. Okay, wait a second.
Oh, I'm not going to dump it on you.
Yes, you are. Dump it right on my head. Yes.
No.
Yes. Dump it on my head because Bill's not here and my 24 hours is almost up. Dump it on my head. It's okay. I promise.
Yeah, but it's not. Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. Dump it. Ah! Keep dumping, Mom. Keep dumping. Dump the whole thing. Oh. Okay. Thank you.
It's not the whole thing.
Oh, it's not? Oh, dump the rest of it then.
Yeah.
Okay, dump the rest of it quick. It's cold. Dump it all, just get it over with, Mom.
There's still too much.